welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. And on today's video, I have one of the amazing YouTubers from Kenya. I'm also a Kenyan. So Irene, introduce yourself.
Boom! Hi guys, welcome to Claudia's channel. My name is Irene. I have a YouTube channel which goes by the name of Irene Zab. Yeah, please go check me out. And we have met for the first time, and everything is amazing. We are somewhere here, so please subscribe to the channel. Like, share, and also comment.
So guys, today we are in the streets of Nairobi, so we'll be taking you around. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end.
Yeah.
So Irene, yes, I'll be your tour guide today. Yeah.
Okay.
And guys, make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the channel. Today is on Sunday, and show them what we have with this.
So people are taking photos here.
So many of these are TikTokers.
Yeah.
TikTokers. And right here, this is Kenya. So the street is nice, and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to our channels and
Support us.
Yeah. So you have a question for me?
Irene, I've been looking for you, and finally the day is here. How do you feel like meeting Claudia for the first time?
You know, this is great, yeah?
Guys, I was almost lost.
Yeah, in Nairobi. You know, I was in town since like 7:30. You see the way I'm dressed? It was so cold. I came at around 7:30. I was here. I've done videos from this place. I went to Italy. I went to a certain place, and now I'm back. Actually, I wanted to go home and rest, but it's not here. Because I thought we meet. So we are here, guys.
So Irene, I've been watching you for the longest time. And your channel.
Longest time, when?
Yeah. I think when you were at 4,000 subscribers, and now you are at 10,000 subscribers. How did you do it?
I don't know. Me, I don't know. It's good.
It's good.
But you see, subscription is nothing. Like when you are monetized, like what depends is the views. Yeah, if people don't just, if people watch your videos, that's how you earn from YouTube. But if people just click and go, you not earn anything from YouTube. So subscribers does not, like as Marwa says, when you get to 1,000 subscribers, just focus on how to grow your channel. Okay? I'm at the moment I'm struggling to grow the channel because if I have 10,000 subscribers and my views are very low, I'm trying to work on that. Please.
So guys, subscribe to my channel. By the end of the year, guys, take this girl to 5,000 subscribers. Take Irene to 15,000 subscribers.
2,000, right?
I'm 2,000 subscribers.
You get there.
Yeah.
I saw you did a video from a very dangerous place in Italy. I wanted to do a video today from that place, but again, I was holding my phone like, you know, my camera got stolen, so I'm doing videos using my phone. So I was holding my phone like this, and the people were saying, "Why are you recording us?" Oh, okay, no, let me just go back to town.
So Irene, do you know that I like taking risk? Yeah?
That is what I did on my phone. I guess people tell me like I like taking risks also.
I think
I've learned the hard way.
you have learned through the hard way.
You see, they stole my camera, my phone, my memory card, everything that I had that day. It went. I'm trying to what do we call?
To come up again.
Yeah, to come up again.
So Irene,
And I am going to forget it somewhere. So, but I'm about to go home, so
Irene,
no
for
worries.
it was from this place. So Irene, I love what you are doing. I love what you are doing. So okay.
You know that story of Nyambohanse? Like Marwa's empowered like the whole village. Marwa is the boss.
There is one of my fans.
You are the god. Yes, I salute you.
There is one of my
so
fans.
many people are earning money from YouTube because of Maro. So
Yeah.
Maro, thank you. You and your sister Dima inspired me to start my YouTube channel. So maybe someday, if rapture tarries, I really pray that I will meet you.
Make sure you support us, eh? Yeah. Go this way.
You see someone like Maro. Maro works so hard. So me, I respect Maro. 100%.
You can see in their village they are all YouTubers, eh?
No, Maro has inspired so many people, not even his village.
One worldwide, eh?
Yes. Maro is
And
something else.
we are just happy for
he
him.
has really helped so many youths out there.
And if you are here, you don't know Hayamara, is the one of the top Kenyan YouTubers. Go check him on his YouTube channel. I am _Marwa.
Wow.
Yeah.
He does amazing videos, very amazing.
Yeah.
So supportive. Yeah, so Mara, thank you.
So I personally am at 2,000 subscribers. How can you encourage me to improve on that?
Mara, as soon as Mara says, you just upload a video.
So I need to upload videos back each and every day.
Support others. Support others, they will definitely support you back.
True.
That's the only way. Because that is I do say what Mara says, and that is what I apply to Mara. Even Mara said, even if your views are so low, you don't worry. Just keep uploading videos. Maybe someday.
Guys, remember we are in the streets of Nairobi. We are just walking around with Irene, having a good conversation. Yeah, we are trying to build each other. Yeah. So Irene, do you have any question about me?
No.
You have been watching my videos, right?
I do support you even the friends. Make sure you comment. Sure. And you like. Me even if I like even if I'm sleeping and you tell me, all those programs they bring us, I will never go. Because me, I upload videos like every day. I know if someone did not come this time, he or she is going to come at night. I know. And some of my supporters are very nice. Like if someone is not attending the premiere or watching my
Premier
videos,
gang, eh?
they will tell me I'm not attending, I'm busy, but I will watch.
Okay.
Imagine, those are some of the friends that we have.
So Irene, I'm just happy I finally met you.
Yeah, I'm also happy. I wish like all YouTubers could like come out.
Yeah, we come, we build each other.
We build each other.